Hey guys, so I'm giving y'all the update on the AC guys. So things are moving a little bit better. It's still not complete progress, but he basically confirmed with the first guy told me who referred me to this particular AC guy that I'm dealing with, that it was like the Freon and then it was also a leak. So they have to replace the Freon and they also have to find a leak. So they need to do, I guess, like certain parts on it. And then I'm thinking that they gotta get like Freon and stuff like that. And so by it being a Sunday, they're not able. I'll be back, guys. I thought that was them. I thought that was them trying to get my attention. But basically, they got to do Freon and they got to find the leak, but they can't get it all done today. So they just had to do part of the repair today. And I got the appraisal person coming out on Monday. So basically, just gonna pretty much keep my mouth closed because they pretty much already done with the with this repair once they get the rest of the parts. But they already told my realtor they won't be able to do it all in one day. So it basically will it's basically I can't really say that it's repaired completely yet, but they basically almost getting to the finishing up of it. So when I do my appraisal, I'm just advised just like how people have lawyers, you'll have to talk with my realtor about that. I'm not allowed to discuss that. You'll have to talk to my realtor, and my realtor can talk to you about that. So I'm not allowed to like volunteer any information. If I'm asked, I am told to redirect that person to my realtor. So once I get this repair completed, this is a better progress because now I know what the problem is. I know that they can fix it. And basically, I guess today they just like removing certain things also. That way, once they order the little part or whatever, they can just slap that part in and that's it. So they basically said it was just a leak. The same thing that the first person told me, but they couldn't that's kind of above their like profession. So the people that they referred me to, they can handle jobs like this. So it's the Freon and then a leak. So once they get that, because they said they couldn't do it today because of stores and different places being closed, let you know that we living in Esau world, because on Shabbat when people supposed to do worship, they don't. They do it on Sundays, but that's another story for another time. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna merge these two videos together, and then I also wanted to talk to you guys about some a new service that I added on to my company, and I'll talk about that in the next clip. Okay, guys. So I wanted to talk about my life coaching services that I have been offering on my Victorious Collection business, and it's a extended services that I've been offering since last year. It is like a new service that I recently added, but it's not too new. But guys, that's a good way to support me. Like if you want to get any type of assessments done on any type of area in your life, whether it's dealing with marriage, family, friends, relationships, career, business, anything that you are dealing with, I can do a consultation with you and an assessment depending on what it is. And I do life coaching services, and I also do art therapeutic services. So I'm not a licensed therapist, but I can offer you art therapeutic strategies, and I can offer you life coaching strategies and techniques. And I do have a long background in this particular field, and I have education background as well. I have a master's degree in human services, specializing in social and community services, and I also was certified as a behavior technician for autism children. So I do have a good background. So guys, give me a chance. Uh, if you're interested in setting up a appointment. The reason why I kept saying is because like if you see this video and you needed services today, I can do services starting on Monday if y'all willing. So guys, please reach out to me. All my information will be linked in the description box below this video. And also you can go to my about tab and you can find out all the information about these services that I'm referring and speaking about. So if you're interested and you need someone to talk to and you need like a quick assessment, I can help you out. And it for first time people or clients that's giving me a chance for the first time, it'll be for a very discounted price. So guys, give me a chance. That's another way to support me. Take care. Hi guys, I'm back again. Another thing that I had forgot to tell you. I'm also good at like dietary, that like dietitian, which I think in some states you have to be like certified or licensed. But so I'm not giving you any kind of medical advice in that sense, but I can guide and lead you and put you on the right direction as far as like holistic or herbalistic ways. That's what I specialize in. So if you also need help with herbalistic strategies and remedies and things like that, if you're dealing with like sicknesses or you're trying to come off of something or you need healing for certain things, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a licensed therapist or a chiropractor or nothing like that, or a doctor. So I'm not giving you medical advice, but I'm just telling you, like, if you're interested in the all natural way of doing things instead of doing it pharmaceutical way, you can also contact me for that as well. I can give you like an assessment and a pretty much like a treatment plan, holistic or herbalistic, in that strategy and treatment way to help with anything that you might be dealing with, whether it be pain, whether it be weight loss, um, or anything within that caliber or category. So guys, go to the description box below this video and you'll see it. It'll have like a link for coaching or therapy or art therapeutic. You want to go up under that link, or you can contact me by any of the ways, like through my official website, which is at the very, very bottom of all the links. But take your time and look at the About tab on my YouTube channel, or you can just simply go below this video and take your time where you see the two blue butterflies where it says always to donate. It'll give you all the information of the information that I'm telling you about, that if you want to set up any kind of appointment with me for these particular services, you can do so that way. All right, guys, take care.